Ready.
This is the final shot of the 40 horsepower rebuild that we did. I'm just going to do a final startup to check before we deliver it. What you can see here is all the sheet metal has been repainted. It's all original 40 horsepower. You can actually run these things on the ground. We have a transmission that's built. We're running a starter on it. We'll kick it over right now. You can see. Needs to be done is this will run 2,500 RPM for about 20 minutes. It's going to break in the camshaft, but the owner is going to pick it up, and he'll do that when he does his install. And then when we get another shot of this, most likely it'll be running in the bug. Well, thanks. We'll get back to you later.